from Pai. We have been here about a week and we love this little city. And so we did not do the little tour before we got here, so I figure we better do it now before we leave. We're getting ready so you can see we're packed up. The beds aren't quite made, but I wanted to show you what you get for your money here. So this space is, you can see we have the upstairs too, but it's locked, so I don't know that we'll go in there. And then you basically come in. There's no common area, but there's the cutest little place to sit on the floor. You have a little table that you can eat at. Yeah. And then you have also a little kind of like coat rack. On the downstairs we have bunk beds and a twin bed, and upstairs we have 3 more beds that are all on the ground. It does come with aircon, TV, and oh yeah, this was good. It also has microwave, dishes, tea kettle or coffee kettle, toaster. So that stuff we don't really have that often, which is really good. And yeah, and then we'll come in here, show you this for a minute. So this is kind of like, it feels like an outdoor type shower, but it's not, because you have a door and it's closed off. But then here's one of the showers, which is kind of cool. And it actually is not a wet bathroom. So a wet bathroom is when the shower is in where the toilet is as well. So this is the separate shower. You don't always get that in Asia. So just to know that you don't want a wet bathroom. I mean, it's fine if you have one. We obviously have. The other thing that you have is a fridge, which is great. And then you have kind of like the toilet room, and you have that bowl sink. And upstairs, the bathroom is so pretty. I don't think we're gonna do that, but it's really lovely. It's like a separate shower up there as well. That looks like very modern. And yeah, what else we got?
Hello. I think the sitting area, so when you get your coffee from TT, seems a little redundant, but that's the name of the joint next door. It's delicious. Get your cappuccino, 40 baht. It's like $1.33.
Yeah.
You can come out on this little patio. Or if you have 3 kids, ages 11, 8, and 5, who maybe you've been around for the past 40-some days, 24/7, close the curtains. Sit out on the porch, and you'll have 1 minute to drink your coffee in peace.
Yeah, 1 minute.
And then you'll have at least one out there.
Yeah, then they'll realize the curtains are closed.
It's real nice. You got like roses really nice. Built up there.
Yeah, it's really...
You actually have a maid who's on site.
Oh, I forgot that.
8 a.m. and 8 p.m. So real nice. Second day, we had a dirty clothes pile, and so she was coming in to clean the rooms, and then we come back and she's cleaned all her clothes. Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
It was really, really cool.
Pretty happy about that. She's a sweetheart.
Super nice.
Try to talk to her. We can't really communicate, so we smile and say hello, and life is good. So yeah, it's awesome here. Yeah, this place is really, really great. But did you mention the location? I think that's... No, I was gonna say that this... Especially for families. Yeah, for families, this particular location, and this place is called what? What is it? TNP Pai. It's right next to the TNP Pai Cat House Bungalows. Yeah. Which is owned by Meow. No kidding. True. Super sweet lady. Yeah. I don't know how she thought of the name for her property, but pretty awesome. Yeah, so that is the thing. Here for families, this has been a super awesome place to stay because... And it's Pai, and you have it next door, and then you can go like... This is the place. I really like this place. And you can walk, and you don't have to walk far. Yeah, that's... And you can, and this, like, I can't have eggs or milk, so you should get this.
strawberry and banana smoothie and French fries.
Yes. So from there's a place next door called T's.
No, T's.
I thought it was T's Tea.
No, it's called
Either way, one of those. The food is phenomenal. It is so good, and it's piles of very fresh fruit
And they even make our like fresh bread.
Yeah, they make their own bread.
We haven't seen anywhere in Thailand so far.
Right. That is so good. And then you can literally walk. It's 7-Eleven is like practically next door.
Yeah.
And then 1 block over is the walking street, the night walking street. So it's like the best.
It's the food market.
Yeah, the food market and walking
street.
Then
there's the awesome playground nearby.
Yeah, get the moped. Where was the moped? Was it like Pixie or Firefly?
And then Firefly moped.
Dragonfly Pie.
Oh, that's it. Dragonfly Pie. The nicest guy for the moped. So nice. Gave us tons of recommendations. Like
we got the park recommendation from him.
He told us where the park was, and then he had me follow him on the motorbike to the park to go see it. And then anytime we see him around town, every day pretty much, and he had new recommendations.
Yeah. And he stops to talk to us. Like if he sees us, he's like pulls in the moped and talks to us. And he's really cool. And
then I think with the mopeds, a big thing you'll hear about in Thailand is they'll want to take your passport as a deposit. You don't have to do that there because we won't do that anywhere. So it's 2,000 baht deposit.
Or 1,000 per moped.
Well, no, it's 2,000, 4,000 total.
Oh,
so,
okay.
But what's nice, a lot of places try to make their money coming in and coming out where they ding you for every sort of scratch. It was the most chill moped guy we've come across. Most places are insane about the gas. He's like, yeah, just bring it back the same. And they were just a joy to work with, so we would definitely go there. So definitely recommend it if you're in Pai. Check them out. You'll be very happy.
Like even one place we went to on the island, even they said that was one of the most chill people that on the island. Even they were kind of.
Yeah, she's talking about in Koh Phangan.
Yeah, in Koh Phangan.
When you came back, they were super chill. When you got the moped or the motorbike, but when you came back, woo!
Yeah,
fine, tooth and comb, however the saying is. I'm like, whoa, that's not even my scratch. Come on, man.
Yeah.
But here, super chill.
So, still recommending videotaping your moped when you get it.
Before and after. Take pictures, videotape.
They were,
everywhere. Under the moped, cover yourself.
Yes.
I mean, you may be dealing with some people who seem nice, but then you bring it back, not so much.
Yeah, that's.
But they were great.
That is, but we did not find the Dragonfly Pie to be like that at all. They were phenomenal. It was really easy and out.
It didn't even look like they checked it as one thing.
That's true. Unless your boss is watching, then yes, they did. Yeah. Very much thorough.
But anyway, so we 100% recommend Pai. We want to come back again with the family. I'm sure we couldn't have even we haven't touched half of the stuff you can do here. So and if you do, I would recommend a central location just because you can walk everywhere. And if you want a moped or a motorbike, you do need a motorbike to get out of town unless you're going to do a bunch of tours. But if you have that central location at night when you're tired, you can just walk and get street food. Or the restaurants right here. The roast duck is excellent. The tea's tea is excellent. And then you also have the street food that's right on the walking street. So anyway, that's it for today.
There's more.
There was
upstairs?
I did not. I told him I was not going to.
Oh.
Even though it is really nice upstairs.
You gotta do it. Quick, 30 seconds.
It's 9. It's locked.
Do it.
I'm just saying.
We want an encore.
I don't know who's still watching this at 9 minutes and 30 seconds.
Everyone. Hey,
if you are.
Good job.
Please write that you were watching this in 9 minutes and 30 seconds.
Yeah.
There'll be a prize. Ellie's gonna Venmo it to you.
Lies. That part's a lie, but let us know if you are watching it this long.
If you're watching it.
So look, I can peek in. Oh, see what they're doing in there. And look at this little mural thing. It's really cool. Love that.
If you're still watching this, then
let us know.
Yeah.
And here we go.
You wing a comment. Or you wing us liking your comment. That's what you win.
So, okay. So here is the bathroom here, and you can see. Ooh. Yes.
I love the sink. How they're like bowl sinks.
There's bowl sinks. And then these beds aren't made, but you have the same thing. TV, aircon, fridge. So it's 2 separate people could stay here. We probably only really needed 1 room, but you know, there it was. But again, ooh, bathroom. Yeah, it's lovely.
I love how light everything is.
Yeah.
And then there's just that like wood part.
It's really cool.
Also,
Very
they
modern.
give you free shampoo and conditioner.
Oh, and that's not usual either. All right, guys. So that's the end of the Pai tour. We hope you're well, and we can't wait to see you guys again. Bye.
And also, thank you for watching this long 11 minutes